Today I will show you how to clear cache on Final Cut Pro, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is load up the project that you want to clear cache for. Now once you load up the project, what I want you to do is select the project from this window here. And once you select the project, you're going to go to File at the top navigation bar of your Mac. Once you click on File, it's going to show you, it's going to open a dialog box, and you're going to click on Delete Generated Clip Files. And once you click on Delete Generated Clip Files, it's going to open up another dialog box for you, and it's going to show you it's going to say files will be deleted from all locations both inside and outside the library, and it says you cannot undo this command. Now if you want to delete the render files, you're going to click on this option. It's gonna if you want to delete large high quality files created for smoother editing, you're going to click on delete optimized media. And if you want to delete low resolution working copies, you're going to click on delete proxies. Now this will not delete the original footage, it will only delete the temporary files FCP can recreate if needed. So once you click on OK, it wouldn't delete the original footage, just the cache. Now that's how to delete cache on Final Cut Pro. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.